So, guys, let's talk about the different sounds that animals make in Chinese and in English.
Okay.
Yeah, let's start with the dog. What sound does the dog make?
Wong wong wong.
Just wong wong.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. We go woof, woof, woof.
That's more powerful. Sounds more powerful. Ours is very tame.
Okay.
What about chicken?
Okay, for female chicken, the hen. How about you guys?
Female chicken is yeah.
Okay.
Male chicken is coo coo coo. Yours? That's too easy.
More powerful, more powerful.
Yeah, the voice is so strong.
People need to wake up in the morning. How about for frog?
Frog, quack quack, quack.
Quack quack. Okay,
Same as yours?
we go Rubik, Rubik,
That's different.
Rubik. Yeah. Okay, how about sheep? Sheep.
Sheep.
Meh.
Yeah.
We go blah.
Are you sure?
I'm serious.
Is it a black sheep or a white sheep?
Racist, racist.
Oh, we sound like meh. We are soft, meh.
Okay.
That is a black sheep.
Okay, how about horse?
Horse. Yeah.
Okay, very different. Our horses, they go.
They are angry.